I bet you've never seen one of these before. It's the 2000 LT Shark Edition. Oh, somebody put all this crazy vinyl wrap on here to make it look like a shark. Make it look like you're riding a shark. There's a dorsal fin right here that you can... Oh boy. It's got that doll's eye that rolls in the back of their heads when they take a bite out of you. And it's got some gills on here. It's got the Mako shark tail on back here on the tail section of the bike. Yeah, this thing's pretty crazy looking. So what is this thing? Well, I actually bought this motorcycle as a, something that I'm going to restore and then sell. And take you guys with me, of course. So I'm going to go through the bike. I'm going to go through everything on here. Definitely going to take off the shark skin. So just going to go through the whole thing and basically make it a bike that I would want. I'm not going to be riding this thing anywhere. The furthest I rode this thing was, I rode it from the trailer right into the shop, and nobody's other than you guys have seen it. I'm not going to be seen on the road riding a shark. It's a shark. Oh my gosh. Anyway, thing's got like 48,000 miles on it. It's in pretty decent shape mechanically. It does need some brake lines. It needs some springs because they're flat after 40,000, and it needs a new front tire. That front tire is going to be a video all on its own because it's the most bald front tire I've ever seen. Anyway, if you want to follow along, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and make sure you click the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, because that's how you're going to get notified whenever I put a video out. YouTube is, just a little side note, has got some crazy rules for the people that don't monetize their videos. And as you might know, we don't monetize them. If you're seeing any ads on this channel, it's because they decided to just put them on there and take the money for themselves. But anyway, we don't monetize, and the only way that I can make any money off of this is from the people that go to patreon.com/KirkJohnson or visit my PayPal link, which is also there, and help me out financially that way. So, and maybe I'll make a few bucks when I sell this bike. So anyway, thanks so much for looking at this crazy LT edition, whatever. This is Shark Edition. It's the Shark Attack. Oh, I laugh every time I look at this thing. It will be just permanently out there in pictures, and that's about all it's going to be. So thanks again for watching, guys. See you in the next one.
You're going to need a bigger boat.